looks like when you got 4 baby mamas and they each pay you fucking child support.
Jump hole 50, I'm out the window throwing 23. Front flip a fuck nigga low, thinking he fuck with me. Bitches T locking in CLP, Skrilla OLB. Added your hoe to the roster, no she gon'.
Alright, so we're at Matt's house. We're picking up Cameron's fucking truck from getting his transfer case. He got a whole new transfer case installed.
I'm getting to the money, young, non-stop. Just bought a watch, same price as my car. Just bought a watch, same price as my car. And my pinky ring cost a rose. They like, why you ballin' so hard?
This is Matt's little daily color matched work truck 2500. What up, guys? My name's Cam. What is this? What is this?
No, you think it's...
No! Bro, you jumped that shit.
Hey, I didn't break anything.
Nothing's broken.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah. I mean, I didn't see anything weird. And you were sending
Dude,
it.
it felt so fucking crazy.
I bet it did. Tell him what's up, Ooey. Ooey.
What's up?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Tell him what to do.
We're doing dumb shit. Where is it? Some filmer boys. Yep.
Alright, so state your name and occupation.
State. Professional photographer.
And your name?
Tate.
Tate. Alright. Alright. State your name and occupation.
I'm Charles. I'm a photographer. Only Optics on Instagram. Anything automotive.
Trucks, cars,
Yeah,
boats,
anything.
anything. Sure. For sure. We're gonna get Charles out here taking some sick little flicks and some videos, and we're gonna put them in here and see what's up.
Yeah.
Oh no. Take it to the asphalt.
Take it to the asphalt.
Oh shit. Alright.
These things are fucking quick.
Oh yeah, no, they can get it. It looks like they can get it. Hi, babe.
Evie.
Little kickflip action. Alright, so we got Braxton. This is the homie Braxton. He'll be in a couple of videos that you'll see. He's got a, what year is this?
2021.
2021 Ford F-150. Is it a, what is this, a King Ranch? King Ranch. So tell him what you did to it today. It just got built today.
Got an 8-inch FTS with a chrome cross member and max track uppers and 26-inch C25s on 37 glides.
Cool, cool.
I got these Recon custom taillights, color matched.
So we got another truck. This is my friend Caleb. He's got a 6.0 that's got a lot of cool mods to it. We're about to walk you through a little video of him telling you about it and what he's got done to it.
What's up, guys? My name's Caleb Campbell. I've got a 2007 F-250. It's on an 8-inch rough country lift stacked with a 2.5-inch level to 10.5. It's got 24x14 Carolina Forge wheels on 38 1550 Toyo RTs. Taillights, paint match bumper, stunt wall in the bed. Wheel lights, dual row pure whites, op 7 rock lights, 12-inch axle dump tip on the front. Got the eBay special clears, custom unlimited light strip in the front, pod lights in the bumper, and then a light bar behind the grill.
How many dummies does it take to put together a axe throwing game?
Let me do it.
Nope, I got it. Hey, you're in the danger zone, buddy.
Bro, it went right around it. That was perfect though. Bro, you almost hit the Supra.
Ready.
I have to see what's popping. Oh. So, you got this new game rolling, right? We're about to see what you can do, huh?
Dude, anglerfish?
Get in there. Ooey. Ooey. Fucking tree monkey over here. Hanging in the vines. Ooh.
Did I hit somebody? I don't know how I ended up
Good?
here.
Yeah, I'm good.
I just got hit right here.
End up right here, boy.
Come on! I fucking tried.
Look at this fucking. Holy fuck, you see this big ass motherfucker? Bitches spin, holy fuck. This motherfucker is cleaner than a bitch. I wonder what it feels like to have this big of a dick to be able to drive this motherfucker. Alright, so I'm here with this big ass 6.7 Power Stroke right here. My name is that_country pimp on Snapchat. This motherfucker, it's got some nice wheels on it. These bitches cleaner than a motherfucker. It's got this nice powder coated lift. It's cleaner than a motherfucker. I can barely reach the door handle. And yeah, she's pretty nice. Yo, I don't know who the fuck put these wheel lights on here. When you're going down the road, you can't see shit when you're behind this thing.
Fucking, what do you think about this truck?
I mean, it's pretty clean, but them wheel lights are about too damn bright.
Yeah. Alright, so we are out here. We are in Destin. We got his bright ass fucking lights for no reason. Bright as hell. Tell him what's up. Tell him we getting some diesel.
Getting some diesel. Just got a new TKs in. That's not
TKs.
Not the truck though.
Yeah. Ooey gooey, tell him what's up.
Hey, ooey gooey, what we doing?
Ooey gooey.
What we doing tonight?
Yeah, well, show him what we're doing tonight. Just show him. Just show him. Just tell him what's up.
Yeah.
it's been a minute.
Oh, it's been a
Every time I
fucking
let
minute.
off these you might be hearing
Oh, Ooey's up. Ooey, what we wanted to see tonight. You just missed Ooey, bro.
Julian.
All right, we're in the back of the Sema build right now. We're about to take it for a test roll. It's me and Connor. So we're in the back of the Sema build. 20 inches lifted up in this Joker. We're about to test her out. Got all the rigs.